Alright, this is Nervous Nick. I'm throwing together a pot roast. I already got a lot of stuff in there. I got certified Angus beef, 2¼ pound certified Angus beef rump roast from the bottom round. Alright, so I fried it up a little bit. I already got half in there. I fried it up a little bit on the stove. Just to, I don't know about that pot roast. If it's getting in there, I'd like to see it fried a little bit. So about 10 minutes. This one's ready to go. It's all dried out now. So dump this in there. I can do them by hand. Let's see. And I'm getting a late start here. It's about 7 o'clock over here at night. I wished I would have started earlier. We're gonna go pot roast. You're better off cooking it on low. It's gonna taste better. Cook it at low for 8 hours. And don't open it. Maybe once during the, I know it's hard to resist. Once during the middle of the cook, about 4 hour mark, go ahead and open it up and stir it around a little bit. Let's see here. Oh, I got inside here I put the baby carrots. Get the baby carrots. Here they are here. Baby carrots, about a cup. And I cut them up in half and thirds. About a cup. You get your mini. This one's called Dutch Baby yellow potatoes. Get about 12 of those bad boys in there. Cut them up. I cut them in half and thirds. They're down in the bottom of the pan there, the pot. And what else do I got in there? Oh, I got an onion in there. And I got some green pepper cut up over here. I'm going to put in there. But let me see if I can get all the meat in there first. Here I cut up some meat, or cut up the green pepper. And here's the mix. Get some beef mix in the store. Seasoned mix for beef. You got this. Don't matter your name brand. This is up to 3½ pounds. Okay, you're gonna stir that with 2 cups of water. I got it over here. Just stir it up. Put this mix in with 2 cups of water. And I'm trying to hold off till I get the rest of this in there. Let's try and get these guys in there. Sometimes I run out of room. I'm always putting so much in there. Okay. A couple more. Okay. This stuff's gonna go in like oatmeal. Let's see here. I'm putting a little bit of this in there. Do it by hand. Throw some green peppers up in there. I'm gonna squish it. Whoa! It's already getting hot on me. Burn myself. I had it on high. I'm trying to get rolling here. I kick it on high for about an hour. Okay, so if you do it cook on high, you want to go 4 hours. You cook it on low, it's going to taste better. You go 8 hours. Okay, so now if I cook it on high for 1 hour in the beginning, I like to get rolling. Then you're gonna knock 2 hours off that 8 hour time. See there? So 2 hours off the 8 hours, so you're going 6 hours on low. You're gonna cook it on low. So I'm gonna hit high. I'm on high for the first hour. And I'm trying to get rolling here. I might do 2 hours because I'm really behind here. 8 o'clock at night almost. Damn, Nervous Nick. All right here. I don't know if I'm. See if I can get some of this in there. I got a fork. I think I need a spoon. Hold on 1 second here. Let me look around. I need a tripod. I don't have one. There you go. Put some on there. This is the mixture. It gets pretty thick when you're mixing it. Just mix it with a fork in the bowl. Two cups of water. Get all this good stuff in there. And make sure you leave some room. I'm always wanting to fill it up with water. I might put a little in there. But you got to leave room for it to expand in there. Leave room at the top, you know. From how much fluid's coming up the side there, inside there. Don't bring it all the way to the top. Leave about 1.5 inches, 2 inches from the top. Let it expand. Okay. Let's see here. I'm going to drop you down for 1 second. Hold on. Hold on there. There we go.